In this video, I'll show you how to automatically scroll on TikTok. To get started, make sure you're using an iPhone, because this method uses a built-in iOS feature. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit until you find Accessibility, and tap on it. Inside the Accessibility menu, look for an option called Voice Control, and tap on that. On the next screen, turn on Voice Control. The first time you enable it, your phone may take a few seconds to download the necessary files, so just wait until it finishes and voice control is fully active. Once voice control is turned on, tap on Customize Commands. This is where you can create your own voice commands that perform specific actions on your screen. From here, tap on Create New Command. Now you'll see a field where you can type a phrase. This phrase is what you'll say out loud to trigger the automatic scrolling. Type the word next into the phrase box. You can choose a different word if you want, but next works well and is easy to remember. After typing the phrase, tap on Action. From the available options, select Run Custom Gesture. Your screen will now let you draw a gesture. Using your finger, draw a swipe up motion on the screen, just like you would normally scroll through TikTok. Try to make it smooth and natural, because this gesture will be repeated every time the command runs. Once you've drawn the swipe up gesture, tap Save in the top right corner. Now go back to the previous screen and tap on Application. This step is important because it limits the command to a specific app. From the list of apps, select the TikTok application. After selecting TikTok, go back until you're out of the Settings menu. You can now close the Settings app completely. Next, open the TikTok app. Once you're on the TikTok home feed and videos are playing, say the word Next out loud. As soon as you say it, your phone will perform the swipe up gesture automatically. You'll see TikTok scroll to the next video without you touching the screen. You can repeat the voice command every time you want to scroll, making it useful for hands-free viewing or when you don't want to constantly swipe. By following these simple steps, you can easily set up and use automatic scrolling on TikTok using your iPhone's built-in features.